Hi, this is Glenn. Welcome to part 2 of drawing this toolbox project. Big shout out to Rebecca Jameson, an amazing teacher who creates this project in her class. So it's a really interesting project. Here's the draw sliding outwards. We're much harder to draw it out, but you could. You'd start off by sliding the draw front out. Let's get started. Use a fairly blunt pencil to neatly shade in your surfaces. But rendering is about putting light next to dark. It's called contrast. Use a ruler on the straight lines and drop it down there. Remember, light next to dark. This is about a curved surface. So what I'm doing here is adding straight lines and fading towards what's called a highlight. A highlight on a curved surface is where a light source shines on a curve and at some point will bounce into your eye. And that's where that light comes from. Every object sitting on a table will have a little shadow line underneath it. This sharp line with the black pencil looks like a little shadow, so it helps it sit on the page. A little bit of colour, smudge it, just to give some variation underneath the brown. Natural timber has variation in it. Use a sharp brown pencil here to bring up your drawing lines. Now for the rendering. There's all sorts of rules for rendering, but for a beginner, dark next to light. So I've got a light surface and now I'm using the ruler. See how I've put some dark underneath the light? I'm going to do the same thing where I go around a corner here. So I'm going dark. Now as I go across the timber, I'm fading to a light color again. Dark next to light. I'm running an eraser. I'm cutting through the pencil here to make it appear as though it's got a varnish or lacquer on it, and you're getting a reflection. So that's a reflection on a flat surface. That's what you do. And I'm bringing that gap back up again, as well as my grain. And now it's over to you. I promise if you keep practicing, you will learn how to draw these and they'll look fantastic. Once you've got those skills, then you can start to change this design to your design and create anything. So good luck. Thank you for watching. I'm Glenn. Bye for now.